Why test multiple function terminals on an HVAC control board instead of just one? Testing each terminal, fan, heat, cooling, provides a comprehensive diagnosis because isolated terminal failures can mimic unrelated system problems. Start by identifying the thermostat call type and mapping the corresponding terminal to its relay or control board input. Then energize that terminal with a known good 12-volt or 24-volt signal while observing the targeted component for activation. Use a multimeter set to measure direct current voltage and continuity to confirm the presence of control voltage and verify wiring integrity from thermostat to control board. Measure at the thermostat first, then at the board, and finally at the component to locate any open circuits or voltage drops. When testing fan operation, place the blower into manual mode or short the fan terminal to the common to confirm blower motor, capacitor health, and observe motor start characteristics. A sluggish spin or humming often indicates a failing capacitor or seized bearings. For heat calls, confirm the sequencer or ignition module receives the correct control voltage and watch for proper flame sensing behavior. Describe flame rectification systems as sensors that require a continuous conductive path through the flame to certify ignition. For cooling, verify compressor contactor pull-in by energizing the cooling call terminal while monitoring line side current and contactor coil voltage. Excessive current draw signals mechanical stress or low refrigerant charge that will need a gauge set for further diagnosis. Always follow lockout-tagout procedures. De-energize power before replacing components and use insulated tools, wear safety glasses and gloves, and document each measured value to establish a baseline for future troubleshooting. Common mistakes are assuming a single terminal failure explains all symptoms when multiple circuits interact. Solution: test each control terminal independently and document results. Another error is skipping voltage polarity and grounding checks, which leads to misleading continuity readings. Solution: verify common reference and measure from both ends of the circuit with the system powered and powered down as appropriate. A third issue is misinterpreting relay chatter or intermittent operation as electrical when it is mechanical wear or poor connections. Solution: observe operation under load, tighten terminals, and replace suspect relays or contactors rather than chasing wiring that measures correctly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with screened local contractors by listing verified profiles, project galleries, and user reviews to help match the correct trade for the specific HVAC task. Contractors gain exposure to leads and can showcase past work, certifications, and service areas to win projects that fit their expertise.